Hello, my name is Owen Lubinda and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more exciting and lit content without wasting any of your time. Oh, and thank you to all the new subscribers who have just joined us. And if you love my content, please give it a thumbs up. Comment in the section down below if there's anything that you want me to add or remove to my content. Yes, then don't mind my voice. Don't mind my voice because I've not been feeling well. Yeah, but either ways, let's jump into today's tutorial on why you can watch movies, the best application where you can watch free movies. It also has a website, meaning you can also watch like on your laptop, Mac, Windows, Linux, anywhere. So let's jump into that right now. So the name of this application is actually called Tubi. This application is free, either on Android, iOS, any phone that you're currently using. It's free. You can watch movies, countless movies, old movies, new movies, award-winning movies, only for free. So here we've got most popular, scientific and fantasy, faith, classic, documentary, damn, it's weird, action, family movies, and so on and so forth. So yes, you can also search for the movies. So also have TV shows. Yeah, let me show you that they are working and they are free. Let me click on this one and show you that it's free to watch. Oh, and you can also save to watch later. If maybe you're busy or something, you can save to watch later. And this same function is the only function that actually requires you to sign in. Okay, it's the only one that requires you to sign in. So if you want, you'd sign in. If you don't want, you wouldn't sign in. So yeah, this is the movie right here. Put some sound. And from the time down here, you can tell that it's a full movie, by the way. So yes, even have a description on what the movie is about, people who starred in it, and everything like that. So yes, shout out to Selisho. Selisho is the one who told me actually to make this video. Then shout out to him because I'm going to also show you a laptop version where you can actually watch on a laptop. This is for the mobile phone version. There's also a laptop version. Let's jump into the laptop right here, then we drop the laptop version. Don't forget to subscribe if you're loving the content. If you have tried it and it has worked, subscribe and come and tell me in the comments below if it has worked for you. Don't just keep it to yourself. So yes, you guys, this is the laptop version. So you go on your website or your search engine, and let me just go my search engine. Okay, then when you go there, you just type in Tubi. I almost forgot, the application cannot be downloaded on Play Store, so I'll leave a link in the description where you just click that and it will take you there where you can download it on epicapure.com. It's just a direct link. So immediately you click search for Tubi, the first link that comes, that's the website. So there's the website, Tubi, free movies, TVs, no subscription required. So start watching. Click on start watching and just remove this. Start watching. So yeah, same interface, same things. Yeah, it's very simple actually. Again, I'm repeating myself. Shout out to Selisho, and to everyone who wants to get a shout out or anything like that, come on, just be a supporter. I recognize you and I'll give you the chair that you need. So this is the movie. We can actually put it on full screen. Yeah, damn, it's really nice. And the movie is just there, straight up. So you guys, if it has worked, please subscribe. I only give you the best content, so subscribe. As you can tell, that's a full movie. Subscribe if you love my content. Like it if it has worked for you, and please come back in the comment section. You let your friends know, those who just look at the video like maybe it's a scam or something. You let them know that it's working. Okay. Otherwise, it's a very interesting application and website as well. They really know what they're doing, these guys. So yeah, you can actually even search for the movie up there. Thank you.